You know? So for example, for this session, I haven't marked this little trend line here. I have not marked this trend line. See a little trend line happening here. I don't like how price is playing out. I don't like how slow it is. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of it. I'm not a fan with that. I can't even find a clear, nice entry. I don't like this entry right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit out of this session. I'm gonna sit out of this session. The reason why I'm also more reluctant to even enter is because news is approaching at 1:30, and there's been many times that I've seen price move so slow during the morning session until news eventually comes around, and then I'm just like, okay, I would have been able to make small profits, and because of that, it's saying to me, is the small profits that I'm possibly going to get from this, if it even, like, let's say if it is small profits, like how I usually see with these sessions that have news coming up eventually, is the risk really worth it? No. So I'm going to sit out. I'm not really that fast. Anyways, guys, I'm going to sit out the London session. That's about it. And I'll see you guys in the New York session. See you. This is why I don't trade news. These guys got taken out this morning. You know, I told you that. I'm not going to trade London session. There's no point. There we go. This is why I don't trade news. Bam took out those people. Took out most of them. It's going to come down. I know it's going to come down to take them out regardless. Maybe later or something. Taking out all the people above. So this is news playing into action, boys. This is why I don't trade it. I know some people like they want to. Some people might enter here. These guys are going to get taken out as well. Maybe not now. Maybe now, maybe later. But yeah, I just wanted to record. As you can see the timestamp here. It's sorry, it's 1:30. Anyways, I just wanted to show that. Alright, it's 2 o'clock. I'm still in the middle of cooking, so I'm just gonna mix my markings out. So news didn't do much. News didn't do much. But I feel like since here it's just been trying to have some bullish movement. You know, the sellers have been losing. It's creating higher highs. Slightly, nothing crazy, just slightly. So what I see here right now, I'm waiting for this to kind of get taken out. I'm waiting for this to get taken out. I also see a trend line forming here. You know? Something like this. Trend. So I'm going to set an alert here. And I'm going to set an alert here. Rotating. Let me put a vertical line tool on when the session started. High. Taking. There we go. We'll just leave it like that. Okay. Alright, nice. It's gonna alert me right now. Any second now. There we go, it's just alerting me. So I've come back just in time. Perfect timing. There we go. So, what do we have so far? Since this session, it swept these people over here. Alright? Which left this actual break of structure. There is no other news. Let me just double check there's no other news. What was it? Factory calendar. There we go. Yeah, no other news. Okay. Now let's sweep those people. So these people are trying to buy early. We got some trend building up here, so it could take over, could go up. All right, let's sweep these people. We've had this break of structure. Actually, no, this hasn't been confirmed yet. Until the 5 minute closes, which is any minute now. It could come up and just close here. Could close below. We'll just wait. There we go, close below. So we have change of character, break of structures. 1, 2. I don't know if you can really count this, but that's what I count. We've had this as a change of character, right? We've had this as a change of character. And we've had this break of structure. Bam. Just to make this more simple, we'll say price can react anywhere in this zone. Price tapped into this. Since the close happened here. Actually, since the close happened, price didn't tap back in. These are still valid. But I am still unsure. If it's even going to react off it. Yes, it's swiped. Yes, it's broken structure. Yes, it's taken out some buyers. But two things. It's very close to this. We'll see how this reacts. If I see another 1 minute change of character in this zone, then I'll enter. If I see a 1 minute change of character in this zone, I'll enter. We can't count it until it closes. I'll put this as the 5 minute. I also want some internal levels to mark out. One minute change of character. No, 1 minute break of structure, sorry. 1 minute VOS. I feel like there could possibly be a 1 minute forming here. The only reason I want to mark this one is just, yeah, like I said, if it comes up just a bit and it goes down, then I'll count that. Let's check the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute. 5 minute, what's the 5 minute telling me? 5 minutes telling me it has a tiny bit of a pullback. Still lots of liquidity above. But currently we are in a bearish market. However, we are in a weekly level of demand. Could push down further, but I don't have enough confirmation yet. I don't like how the liquidity's sitting right there. I don't like the entries here. This was already mitigated by the time my session came in. We don't like that. Broke here. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to count this. Is this a significant supply? No. Why? Because it hasn't led to anything. Have this low, leading to this, but it hasn't really changed that much. I need more confirmation. I mean, this is it, guys. This is really just how you trade. It's just sitting and waiting, you know? Not really much else. Just sitting and waiting. It looks like it's respecting this level of supply. Obviously, we had a break of structure here. I'll just refine it down to here since we're seeing a reaction. So, hey, it's saying to me now, hey, we respected this supply. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to fail this demand. Okay, so this is very close. What I want to do, I want to move this to the bottom so I can see a nice clean one. Oh, there we go. Hold on, what do you want to do? We wait for that 1 minute close. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that is not a close. You know, that's not a close. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start marking that out now. And I'm going to have the measurements marked out as well now. And we have taken this. Okay, so this is where we have to be a bit careful. It's taken the low liquidity. It's taken this low liquidity. It is breaking. It's taking the liquidity below. It built up. It took on more liquidity. But it reacted off this demand. It respected this.
So I will take that entry, but I will also understand that I'm at more of a risk of it going bad. Movement now. Seeing some more movement now. Let's see if this is to be induced. Yeah, I feel like it's too late now. I feel like it's already too late. It just keeps going and I can't catch it. It just keeps going and I can't catch it. It respected this one. Should I have been in? No. It's not enough for me to go off. You know? It's not enough for me to go off. Damn. This is hard. You know? It's not easy. Oh, holy shit, this is playing with my emotions. This is playing with my emotions. Holy shit. God damn, man, tell me what the hell you want to do. What do you want to do? There's no actual 5-minute structure. What do you want to do? Oh my, this is teasing me, bro. This is fucking teasing me. This is teasing me. Oh shit. I'm in the prime zone as well, so I really should just close down the thing and just leave everything go. Oh, this is so much. This is too much. This is too much. Ah! Alright, no. I'm getting emotional. Time to shut this down. It's time to shut this down. Time to shut this down. I am getting emotional. That is not good. Now, what happened? I had this marked out. It wicked me out. I forgot I had my other alert set for, like, my other execution set for this. The only issue I had is when I looked at it and I realized I failed the first one, I was like, no, we gotta cancel it. What I should have done is really just had all this. So I closed off my thing at like £4 profit and then it just went down. A loss on this one. I'm just gonna be done trading for the day. And we're just gonna forward test the rest of the day. See what we could have done better and stuff. And we'll do our analysis at the end. So you guys see where I entered. I was supposed to enter off this one, but you know, price never came down. Came up high enough. It is what it is, I guess. And yeah, I'll just, you guys know where I entered. That's about it. This is all live as well. You know, not like live streaming, but like live as in live market conditions. That's about it, guys. I'm just gonna actually relax now. I was letting my emotions get to me. Anyhow, time to go. If it fails, it fails. I'm done for the day anyways. If it succeeds, that's cool. We go from there. Alright, guys. So I failed this one. I accidentally left another order block here, still set on my MetaTrader. So it automatically tapped me into both. And because I seen it going down and I seen it coming up, I considered this as another break of structure. And I entered off this one because I was like, oh my days, I missed this one because I pulled myself out, blah blah blah, and then it took me out. That was entered at double the risk because I entered quite low down, so it was really double the risk. And yeah, so I basically took 2 trades, but I've technically lost 3 because the second one is equivalent to 2 trades. So I'm fairly annoyed. Fairly annoyed about that. But I'm not emotional to the point where I'm gonna try and get revenge. I've lost. Anything that succeeds now, whatever. But you can see that there was a order block here, because after it switched the narrative, I had to change a character. It broke this. Anyways, so we can see that, you know, it switched the narrative. And I actually have this tip on my session thing. You know that price can always reverse mid-session. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining. That is basically today done. I respected my first demand, so this is sum it all up. Liquidity swept, break of structure, respected my first order block, and went down, tapped into this one. I don't think this is going to hold because it's been tapping into demands the whole way. Came down because I was too greedy. Because I was too greedy, it led me to failing technically three trades as opposed to one. So I really need to work on my greed part. Really be humble. Don't be greedy. You know? So, yeah. And also the fact that I let my emotions get to me. Hence why I entered this one at 2. Basically, it's worth 2 trades. I think that's about it, guys. Yeah, I think that's about it. This is what my life has come to. My hair's crazy. I've been studying non-stop. I keep having little fucking silly mistakes. And what I've realized, what I've figured out, right? What I figured out is this. There was no 5-minute structure here. This was the only 5-minute structure here. And look at this. It respected. That's what was my 5-minute structure. This was the 1-minute marker. And look at it. Just look at it. Look how it's just trickling down. Look how it's just trickling down. Man. I could have even played it safe, taken a 50% a 1 to 3, and let the rest run. Sorry, even down to here. So, I need to make sure I understand, as in, damn, bro. Damn. I would have at least backed a 1 to 3. So why did those fail? Why did these not hold? Because in my books, there was no 5-minute pullback. It was like a little trinkle here, but there was no actual 5-minute pullback. Whereas if you look yesterday's one, look, 5-minute pullback, bam, didn't tap in. But hold on, 5-minute pullback, tapped in. It tapped in around here. I did this yesterday, so I'm not going to go through it again. 5-minute structure, bam bam. Okay, I thought something was happening, but nothing was happening. But obviously, yeah, so we have this order block. I don't think it's going to hold. I don't know. Because I see liquidity building up here as well. And also it's been tapping into demands on the way up. But it's also building liquidity below as well. I would have been able to back the 1 to 3, 50% or 1 to 3. And we could have just seen what would happen. Damn, bro. Damn. I got so caught up in the 1 minute that I didn't, like, yeah, I looked at this and I seen it going up, but I didn't wait for it to fully come down. And when it came down, I didn't scale back out. It's really, I just need to really get the hang of this. I think once I get the hang of this 5 minute 1 minute, we'll have it. It's so close. It's so close. Honestly, it's crazy. It's driving me crazy that it's so close. Whatever. Because before what I used to do, I used to wait for the 5-minute structure with a 5-minute close, but I found myself going in too late. So wait for the 5-minute structure to start forming, then go down into the 1 minute to catch it. Oh, this is such a long learning process. I would be so much more better if I just backtested. I am so lazy though. I am so lazy, and that is the reason why I'm failing. That's the truth of it. There's nothing else to say about it. That's literally the truth. Anyways, guys, thank you. That sums it up. I just had to add that quickly in because that's what I just realized. Thank you, guys. That's about it.